Hello everybody, I am also here in Britannia Island and this is an exotic food. No one just like it's in India and only in the Philippines. That is why I am trying this one. This is what we call a sea urchin. The sea urchin is I will eat everything inside. The yellow one. The brown one. The brown one.
You speak in English because
Yeah, because this is my first time here in the Philippines, and also try this kind of exotic food. What kind of food is this? It's a sea urchin, and what you see inside is this is the meat of the sea urchin is very delicious. It tastes like something like jellyfish. Yeah, it's delicious, of course. This is my first time to try this exotic food. So this is the owner. How many years you are here in Britannia Island?
Premier nine.
9 years of selling of sea urchin. This is really delicious. For almost 9 years and 10 years and counting that they are selling this. The one plate of full of sea urchin is for only 100 pesos. This is very affordable and this is rich in iron. If you have goiter, yeah, this is very good for you. This is very delicious. And this is you are the husband.
This is my milk is a big
Yeah, I will ask question to the husband. What is that one? You are eating what kind of grass is that?
Nati.
Latte. This is latte. And the green colored like this.
Is the Davis juice.
again.
What can you say? What did you say about that? It's latte is very
It's delicious.
delicious. It's delicious. Very delicious latte. And then you need to put what is a cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon. And then this is what we call the latte. Latte is made of grass in the ocean. Yes, and we are selling also what is this?
Sikat.
Sikat. It's tricycle shell. This is a try. How much is this?
100.
Only 100 pesos. So how are going to cook this? Soup or fried? Steam. And then how will we eat this one? And inside this, you will use a needle.
No.
Oh yeah. How to get inside the what is inside? How to get it using what?
Like I said,
The other side you have to pull. Okay. What is that? Why the sea urchin is eating the sand? Because there's a lot of sand inside of the sea urchin.
sand and nati.
Is that the brain of the sea urchin?
No.
Where is the eyes of the sea urchin? I am wondering. This is the eyes of the.
Yes.
Wow, this is very incredible. The eyes of the sea urchin is only one. How about how is the sea urchin will poop? How is the urchin is poop? Already we have everything here. So we will thank you very much to DJ Sweetheart and we have Billy for taking good care of my videos. And if it is go viral, we will try this one. This is very delicious. This is delicious. Only one.
One more time.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So we will eat only 100 pesos. How much is this? 50 pesos, 100 pesos of the shell. And then auntie will also clean so that you will. This is freshly from the ocean. As you see the ocean. This is the ocean. Yeah. So if you were gonna eat this one, you need to have a very wonderful background.
And you're so dark, so you have to go forward. It's so in it.
This is really probably delicious. This is my first time and look at the water. The water is very crystal clear. Delicioso, por favor.
Lami kayo!
Okay kayo!
Lami kayo na bro.